So you're sitting there wondering, should you give up your email address to download the RockSim software? Are we going to spam you to death? Are we going to use this information against you somehow? Well, relax. We only want your email address so that we can send you one email. We're going to send you just one. And this email is going to contain the link to download the software. And more importantly, it's going to have a link in it to the how-to tutorial videos for the software. The software has a learning curve, and we want to get you over that learning curve as quickly as possible. And that's why we made these tutorial videos. So when you give us your email, we're just going to send you a quick email to give you that link to watch the tutorials. And we urge you to watch them. It's going to help you get over that learning curve quickly so that you know how to use the software and what its full capabilities are. So thank you for coming to Apogee. I know you're going to enjoy the software.